Hey everybody, J&A Review, and we've been camping here at Persimmon Hill Recreation Area, right here on Enid Lake. We're just right off of Interstate 55. We are just, we're south of Batesville, but north of Grenada, Mississippi. And beautiful, absolutely beautiful place to be. This is our first time to be here. They've got about 75 sites, and it's all full hookup. And we're here at the end of October, so it's Halloween, and so we're going to look at some decorations, some lights, and yes, even check out a few sites here. So we'll just pan around and show you the lake here. So we're just going to get started, and we're going to just do a little walk around and just see what everything they've got here. So here we go.
Well, all right, here we are at site number 51. We just wanted to give you an idea of what some of these sites look like. These are all full hookups. You've got 30, 50, 20. Most of these have a nice little nightlight on the electrical box. Your water's here. Your sewer's going to be right up there. And this is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful site. This is what your view will be. You will get to see all of this water all the way around. Your sites are also going to have a picnic table and a grill and a little table out beside it. They do have fire pits also. And this is just a gorgeous site. You'll see they're all paved. I believe they all have this little extra pad over here to park your truck on, or an extra vehicle. So come check them out. You will not be disappointed.
And they do have a paved walking trail here, and we're going to show you some footage of it. And also my uncle told me that there was a waterfall here on the walking trail, so let's look at it. Thanks, Uncle Fred.
Sorry. Well, there you have it, folks. We hope you have enjoyed taking a look at Persimmon Hill Recreation Area. It is in Enid, Mississippi, right here on Enid Lake. We hope you enjoyed seeing some of the attractions, the different types of sites that they have. The walking trail. It's a really nice walking trail, and I believe it's got lights. We didn't check it out at night, but I think it's got lights. So if you like to fish, bring your boat. You've got a boat ramp right here. If you decide you don't want to cook out one night, there is a place in Enid called the Enid Depot. You need to go by there. That is some excellent stuff.
Very good. And I'd like to say a special thanks to our friends as we met over here camping, so we've had an awesome weekend. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Anything else?
Hey, come give them a look over here. You will enjoy it. It's really nice.
And like I said, subscribe, and because you never know what we might post.
Or where we're going to be.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Uncle Fred. Is that your Uncle Fred?
That's him.
Thanks, Uncle Fred. Hey, you didn't take a picture of that, I know.